हर किसी को है मलाल जिंदगी से, पल भर का सुकून मिल रहा मुश्किल से। चल आज कुछ लम्हे चुराते हैं वक्त से, शहरों की शोरगुल से दूर कहीं और चलते हैं। Welcome back friends to our channel Needs Travel and Food, and today we will take you on a 3 day trip to lush green nature of Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal. Its name in the Tamil language means the gift of the forest. This hill station is located on Palani Hills of Western Ghats in the Dindigul district. The best time to visit Kodaikanal is between October to March. The most preferred way to reach Kodaikanal is by bus, which is available from Chennai, Pondicherry and Bangalore. You can also self-drive if you are experienced to drive through extensive ghat sections and pin curves. There are many resorts and hotels in Kodaikanal, which you can pre-book to avoid the dynamic pricing by the hoteliers. We have booked at Stay Simple Bruton Resort, which was at a walkable distance from Kodai Lake. Now let's see the best places to visit in Kodaikanal. Located at a distance of 8.5 kilometers from Kodaikanal bus stand lies the Silver Cascade Falls. The name Silver Cascade is given to this fall owing to the color of water, which appears silver when flowing down the 179 feet high cliff. Here you can have street foods and local grown fruits from the roadside stalls. The heart of Kodaikanal city is Kodaikanal Lake, which is an artificially built lake and is about 154 years old. At Kodaikanal Lake, you can enjoy boating with several boating options like 2 and 4-seater paddle boat, 6-seater row boat, and also shikara boats. These are being operated by Kodaikanal Boat and Rowing Club. You can enjoy roaming around the Kodai Lake, and you have plenty of options like horse riding, bicycle or by walk. Dolphin Nose is actually a protruding rock which looks like dolphin nose, overlooking the full valley view, and the medium to reach is by trekking, which usually takes 2 to 3 hours trekking up and down. So do wear comfortable footwear suitable for trekking. The route to Dolphin Nose is covered with trees and mist, passing through a small village with eateries along the path. A little further trek will get you to the Eco Point, and view from this point is similar to Dolphin Nose but less crowded. Vatakanal Waterfalls is one of the major attractions in Kodaikanal and can be reached by short trekking, so do wear comfortable footwear. Further trekking of 100 meters from Vatakanal Waterfalls will lead you to Lion Cave. As per locals in the past, lion used to stay here, but now it is just a tourist attraction point. Please prefer to take assistance of a tour operator or locals to trek to Vatakanal Waterfalls and Lion Cave. Wax Museum is located at a distance of 4.3 kilometers from Kodaikanal bus stand. This Wax Museum displays wax statues of Mahatma Gandhi, Guru Shankaracharya, Lord Jesus in Last Supper, and many more. This particular wax statue reminds us that music has a special power which can bring different cultures and communities together as one. You can also witness the wax statue of the famous sandalwood smuggler, Veerappan. calm and beautiful location of pine forest makes it a major attraction of Kodaikanal. A lot of movies has been made here, so good camera will give you some awesome memories in your album collections. Located on Pillar Rocks Road, Guna Caves, originally known as Devil's Kitchen, has got the new name after Kamal Hassan's starrer Guna movie was shot here. Guna Caves is actually found between three boulders of the mountains, but the entry has been restricted long back and a wooden platform has been made for the same. As per Hindu mythology, it is believed that Pandavas during the Vanvas cooked meal in these caves. The tree roots formed over a slope at this location seems to be a perfect backdrop of some horror movies. Moving ahead of Guna Caves, stand Pillar Rocks Viewpoint, which constitutes of three granite boulders of 400 feet height overlooking into the deep valley. The mist sometimes is so dense that one cannot view these pillar rocks. The Upper Lake Viewpoint is a quick stop where you will be having a breathtaking view of the star-shaped Kodai Lake with surrounding landscapes. Chettiar Park is a small park with wide range of exotic flowering plants and lush green lawns. Located near to Kodaikanal bus stand, Cocos Walk is actually a 1 kilometer long pedestrian path with breathtaking panoramic views of the plains, and you can also see the pillar rocks from this point if the climate is clear. There is a telescope house available towards the end of Cocos Walk to have the amazing view of the valley. Just near to Kodaikanal bus stand, Bryant Park is a botanical garden with amazing range of flowers, hybrids and grafts. They also host flower show in the month of May, which is a part of summer festival attracting many tourists. Located on Shola Road, there is a jamun tree which is almost 500 years old as per the locals and is a significant part of the last Shola rainforest. Located at a distance of 7 kilometers from Kodaikanal bus stand lies another tourist attraction, the Sembaganu Museum. It was built by British in 1895 and the museum has been categorized into anthropology, flora, fauna and handicrafts. You can spend almost 1 hour at this museum viewing such vast collections. Thank you friends for watching this video and hope you liked it. So please let us know your views in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon for upcoming travel and food videos.